Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is February the 5th, 2019, and I'm out giving an estimate on a lawn care job here. Here we go. Let me give y'all a look at it. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. They want to get it all, well, cleaned up. We're looking at it right here. So we need an edge job. We need definitely need an edge job. Got to edge this here up. That definitely needs to be edged up. But looking at this up here, let's see. Got some weeds in the flower bed. That part right there, all that needs to be cleaned out. Yep. So we got over on this side, some more weeds in there. Want to get that out. And ooh, it's wet around here. So we're looking at all of this right here. Had to get this all trimmed up. So just looking at that. Yeah, get all this here all edged up. Yeah, I'm just looking at it, y'all. This gonna take a little time to clean it up. Get this flower bed all cleaned up here. Let's walk around over on this other side here. Let's see. It's over here, right here. This ground is definitely wet. Y'all, that's squishy, y'all. Ugh. But just looking at it, yep, it definitely needs some trimming up here. Let's see. Wow, this stuff is wet. You can see all the water on it here. See, yeah, look at that water in there. Okay. Ooh, this is wet. Yeah, y'all, just looking at this. Okay. Looking at all that right there. Trimming all of this here around and all. Okay. Definitely need some. Just need a little love and care to this one. Oh man, I got a dog. It's got fur in it, and there's some dog poop with the fur growing all on it. Oh boy. Well, you know, when you see that poop, that's when the price go up on these lawn care jobs. Got dealing with some dog poop. That's another $20 for dog poop. Oh yeah, got to pick that stuff up. That's a health hazard. I don't want to be messing with that. Tell you, I was reading a sign back in a park, and they said to pick up the dog poop if your dog poop, because dog poop has been known to cause cancer. And hey, I don't want nothing causing me nothing. So, you know, I have to inform the customer, you need to pick your dog poop up. But just looking at that, y'all, giving an estimate on it, just doing a cleanup on this one here. So this is one that just came in this morning. So I'm taking a look at it, and I'm gonna give the customer a call and giving an estimate on it, and we're gonna see where it's gonna go. So just sharing this a little bit with y'all. Okay, y'all, just stay tuned. I may have some more to go look at. All right. Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is February 6, 2019, and I'm back to take care of this property that I looked at yesterday and gave an estimate. So the customer wanted to go with my estimate, so I'm finna get busy on taking care of this property. Give me a view of it. This is the way it looks. I showed you yesterday the front and the back and the condition that it was in. So let me get busy and see if I can do what I can do, y'all. See what I can do, if I can clean this one up right quick. Okay, I'll give y'all a view after I finish this one up. Okay. stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this one was a tough one. Oh boy, was it tough. It was wet, soggy ground, but had to get the job done. So customer got a letter in regards that the lawn needed mowing and everything. So hopefully this helps the customer out. But this one was a tough one, y'all. Let me give y'all a quick view of it. It was muddy. Look over here on this here side. I was able to mow it and everything, but you see right in there was holding water. So got some mud tracks right there. That's one of those things there. This ground is soggy, so it was hard to really get that one cleaned up. And basically trim all this here up, get all the weeds out of that. And I recommend to the customer that you need to get some weed killer, spray that down, and then put some more mulch in there. So got that part there cleaned up a little bit. And over on this here side, yeah, I was able to get some of the weeds out of that one there too. Just looking at it, took a little time just to weed eat that out. But as you can see right back here, it was all wet. It was holding water. It's from when I came yesterday. I knew it was soggy and all, but you can still see right here where it's holding water. So it was very tough to get in here and mow this when it's like this here, all soggy and wet. So looking back here, had some leaves, and you can see where all that water is at right there. So well, I done my best I could do with this because it was all muddy. Look at that, it was holding a lot of water in here. But like I said, I done what I could do to this here. Now over here, the customer said they had a hole and they don't have any gutters, as you can see back here. So when the water runs off the roof, it runs right there into the ground, and it puts a hole there because the force of the water's running off that roof and just really pouring down, so it put a big hole there. So I took some of the old grass and I filled it in, and it may hold for a while, I don't know, but I recommend it putting a gutter there if it keeps on putting that hole there. But I was able to mow around the foundation and all around the fence and get the grass out from there. So as you can see, this here's the way it looks. It was tough, I say. You know, it's looking a lot better than where it was looking when I started. So it was God, that was a mess. But dealing with this water when the ground is all soggy and all this is tough. And what happens is, during the year it'll rain and I'll get customers calling me wanting me to come out and mow the lawn, and I'll tell them that it's too wet. They don't want to hear that. They'll call somebody else and get them out there going slop it up. So you know, I'm like, oh man, you don't want to lose any yards at this time, because you know it's a seasonal based business, and you want to make, you want to do all you can do while you can do it if you can. But some customers don't understand that the ground is wet and you can't mow some of this stuff. But they'll see someone else maybe across the street mowing, and they may have a better draining system and the water is running all off on their property, but it may not be running off on theirs. So you come over and you look at it and it's too wet to really put a mow in there. What do? They get someone else. And you know, I'm like, oh well, hey, whatever makes you happy. I can't work with that, I can't control the rain, but you know, that's just part of life. And you run into those obstacles when you're doing this type of business. So you know, hey y'all, I'm just out here sharing my little lawn care journey. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna take off and go see what else I can get into. Alright, if I get a chance, I'll share a little bit more with you. Alright, y'all take care. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just finished up another lawn. This here is a regular. I've been doing it a number of years. Let me give you a quick view of it. It's this property right here, as you can see right here. I just finished mowing, edging the back and blowing everything off. So customer just wanted to get it back looking good here. So I just finished it up. So got that one all taken care of, so I decided to grab the camera and give y'all a quick view of this one. So now I'm finna take off and go and finish up another job. Okay, y'all just stay tuned. If I get a chance, I'll share some more. All right, bye. Okay, everyone, I just finished up another one. It's kind of warm out here. I don't know, it's about what, 60 or 70 degrees. I'm sweating right now. But anyway, this one here is a regular. Let me give you a quick view of it. It's this one right here. It's I just mowed it and got all the leaves cleaned up out of the flower bed over here and all of that, and on that side over there. And as you can see, as soon as I finished, some more leaves blew back over from the neighbor's yard that's over on the other side over there. It's just ongoing with these leaves. But anyway, I just wrapped this one here up. Just giving y'all a quick view of this one. It's another one that I just finished taking care of. So you can see it there. Yeah, this one took a little time. Had a lot of leaves though, but I got them up, mulched them up, and I bagged them. But anyway, y'all, just give me a quick view. I'm finna take off, and I got another one to go take care of. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. If I get a chance, I'll share another one. All right, bye.